Common Persian or Farsi verbs with examples. Hello my lovely friends, welcome back to Learn Persian with Asal. Today we have another video of common Persian or Farsi verb with examples. If you didn't watch the last parts, you can find the links in the description. And as you know, I have started my online Persian classes, so if you want to take a class with me, you can email me at persian.by.asal@gmail.com. Well, now let's start the lesson. The first verb is شنیدن. 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 Present stem is شنو and the past stem is شنید. این جوکو قبلا شنیده بودم. این جوکو قبلا شنیده بودم. این جوکو قبلا شنیده بودم. میشنوی چی میگم؟ میشنوی چی میگم؟ میشنوی چی میگم؟ Imagine you're talking to your friend and suddenly you realize that he doesn't understand you or he doesn't listen carefully. So at this time you will say میشنوی چی میگم? So it means that, do you understand me? Are you listening? Hey, میشنوی چی میگم؟ کمک کردن. کمک کردن. کمک کردن. It's a compound verb. So the present stem is kon and the past stem is کرد. Easy, right? We have lots of compound verbs with کردن. چطور میتونم کمکتون کنم؟ چطور میتونم کمکتون کنم؟ چطور میتونم کمکتون کنم؟ عباس همیشه تو کارهای خونه به همسرش کمک میکنه. عباس همیشه تو کارهای خونه به همسرش کمک میکنه. I have extra examples of these common verbs on my Patreon, so if you want to watch extra examples, you can join on my Patreon. You can see the link here or find it in the description. And if you enjoy learning Persian with me, you can subscribe to the channel and like the video. زدن. 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 Present stem زن. It's similar to the word zan, which means woman, but here is the present stem. And the past stem zad. وقتی عصبانی هستی نباید کسی رو بزنی. باید صحبت کنی. وقتی عصبانی هستی نباید کسی رو بزنی. باید صحبت کنی. You know, when I say fast, I said کسیو. کسیو. وقتی عصبانی هستی نباید کسی رو بزنی. باید صحبت کنی. کشتن. 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 Present stem is کش and past stem is کشت. حرفت رو بزن دیگه. کشتی منو. حرفتو بزن دیگه. کشتی منو. Again, I omit the raised sound. I said حرفتو. حرفتو. حرفتو بزن دیگه. کشتی منو. When you use this sentence, imagine that your friend is talking, but she or he talks with a lots of details and, you know, they don't say the main point and you're bored and you want to they finish their words and you want to understand, okay, what happened next? Okay, what is it? You can say حرفتو بزن دیگه. کشتی منو. It doesn't mean that you killed me. It hears that, okay, I can't wait anymore. Okay, say the main point. What is it? What happened? Say it. So, حرفتو بزن دیگه. کشتی منو. And the last verb, بوسیدن. 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 Present stem بوس, and the past tense بوسید. Now, this example is very tricky and funny. آقا داماد روی گل عروس خانومو ببوسن. آقا داماد means Mr. Groom, okay, but it's the groom. Here usually we say آقا داماد, we add آقا before داماد, but it means the groom. آقا داماد روی گل عروس خانومو ببوسن. عروس خانم also means bride, like آقا داماد, we say Mrs. Bride, عروس خانم.
آقا داماد روی گل عروس خانم ببوسن. روی گل عروس خانومو.
Literally, روی گل means on the flower, but actually it means bride's beautiful face. روی گل. رو means face, and روی گل means a beautiful face, like flowers. Flowers are beautiful. So this was very tricky, and when you get married with a Persian woman at your wedding, be aware of this sentence and don't kiss on the bouquet or the bride's flower. You should kiss her face. Well guys, that was the 5 common Persian or Farsi verbs. I hope you enjoyed a lot. My recommendation is that make a sentence with these verbs and share them in comments. I will check all of your sentences, and also if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me in comments. By the way, if you want to support me, you can subscribe to Learn Persian with Asal channel. And if you want to support me more, you can join in my Patreon account. You know, there is no obligation, but there is much appreciation. بوس به کله هاتون. I'm Asal. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.